you are learning editing in a wrong way. If you are a beginner trying to learn editing, video editing in a CapCut or Premiere Pro, any other softwares, you are learning in a wrong way. Why? Because if you learn the editing, but once you edited the video and you see the final output, it looks like it's not like a pro level of the video. You feels like, why I am not getting this kind of polished look of the video. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to properly learn the video editing. But there are two parts in video editing. Everyone missed out that. Welcome to 5 Minutes Friday. In 5 minutes, I'm gonna teach you everything you should know as a beginner before you start editing. Okay, let me open the Premiere Pro. Once they started editing, everyone will do the wrong thing. They're not creating the project files. I'm gonna go through that. Okay, you can see there is a one folder I created. This is our main folder. In this folder, I'm gonna create one more folder, 5 minutes. So this is the main folder. If you go to the instead of the folder, let me create one more folder, projects, and create one more folder, footages, and one more for exports. So this is called organization. Before you start the edit, you need to create the folder structure. So if I go to project file, I'm gonna copy this link, go to Premiere Pro. It looks like this once you open the Premiere Pro and you go and create the new project, and it will ask for the project name. The name will be as per your project name. Here's the link. This is my folder. Inside this project, I'm gonna place this file. There is no changes in here, just click OK. Once you open the Premiere Pro, it looks like this, the layout. So first step will be the folder structure, which is I created already here. This is the first step. If I go to the second step, this is the Premiere Pro layout structure. So if you can see, there is a project. That means whatever you want to import, the footages or clips, images, musics, whatever it is, it will go here. And whatever you want to apply for the effects, suppose zoom effects or transitions or whatever it will be, if you apply for the clips, it will go to the effects control, and this will be the main video will show here. And this is the timeline, whatever you want to trim, cut out, or whatever, it will be happens here. And this one you can see left side on the corner, those are the tools. Okay, if you want to import the footages, very easy way to import the footage, you just go to your footage folder and select the clip and just drag and drop it here. That's it. The proper way to create the sequence, go to the sequence and go to here array. You can array and go to array 1080p 30 fps, or either you can go for 24 fps or 25 fps. I'm gonna go to the 30 fps because it's some log footage. Let's name it edit. Okay, now go to the footage and click this file and drag and drop. I wanted to edit in 1080p ratio, keeps existing settings, click on that one. So if you right click once and scale to frame size, because it's a 4K clip, if you do that, it will shrink back to normal size. You just scroll this one, it will slide that, and the same as click and right click for options. So first tool you need to know, this one, selection tool. This selection, if you click the selection tool, you can select the multiple clips wherever you want. Next, go to the razor tool. This is very important. If you want to, suppose imagine I want to trim, I want to cut from here, I want only clips from here. That means if you click the footage and either you can drag and drop it here, you just select and drop it here, it will trim. And if you go to somewhere here, same goes to tail. If you click that end part and click and drag. I'm gonna show you with the tool. If you go to here razor tool, this is a razor tool. You click this one, please click here and again go to wherever you want, click that one, go to selection tool and select this clip and delete, select this clip and delete. And if you want to fill this gap, just click this gap and backspace. And same goes here, click this gap and backspace. This is just a kickstart how you can use Premiere Pro. This is the basics, very basics, which as I'm saying already previously, everyone is learning in a wrong way. That means there are two types. First, they will learn the editing software. But if somebody learns the editing software, that means you are not an editor. You need to learn the editing fundamentals. That is a proper editing. If I give you any tools, you can edit the videos. If imagine somebody has learned Premiere Pro, and if you give it to the Avid or any other editing software, FCP or something, they couldn't able to edit the videos. That's why you need to learn the fundamentals of the editing. Once you learn the fundamentals of the editing, if you use any software, CapCut, either InShot, our Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or Avid, DaVinci Resolve, whatever it is, you can easily edit the videos. So there are the two processes. One is learning the software and learning the editing. That is goes to fundamentals, how that editing works, how cuts works, how that transitions works, all these things. Software is just a tool. You need to construct the video. That's it. Coming videos, I'm gonna teach you proper way to edit the videos. And if you like the video, please subscribe and hit a like button and share the video.